Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna take a look at how you can download Zoom on your Android device. So watch this video to know how you can do that and subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for our future videos. Now to download Zoom application on your Android phones, you will need to go to the Play Store and in the search bar type in Zoom. From here you can tap on install. As soon as you do that, the application will start to download on your device. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet connection. It could take a few seconds or even up to a few minutes. After the app has downloaded, it will start to install. After the application has been downloaded, you can tap on open. Now from here you will be able to join a meeting anonymously, or you can also sign up or sign into your account if you already have an account. So that's how you can download Zoom on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave this video a thumbs up and we'll be back soon with more content in the future. Thank you for watching.